This is 13 with Superior Mobile, and today we have a Toyota Tacoma TRD 4x4 with that, and these, and that, and this, and one of these that does this. Okay. This is a rear passenger door. This is a rear driver door. There's an excess of boops against this window. Oh, you dirty, naked door panel. Cover up all of that exposed sheet metal, would ya? Well, yeah, that's better. But I can still see your innards, and clearly this speaker hole is not ready for these 6.5-inch Sony ES coaxial speakers. We gotta get rid of this old thing. Ew, gross. This is the future. Ooh, ah. Okay, we're almost there. We've got a speaker baffle and wire ready, but not quite fully sound deadened. Now that is a happily installed speaker. A full inner door skin treatment with Stinger Ultimate Roadkill, and installation of fast rings to guarantee that all of the speaker's output goes through the door panel. And just like that, it looks exactly like we started, but it sounds a lot better when I close the door. Oh hey look, it's front door time. And we've got some hand sanitizer on deck, which when combined with garlic and silver steaks can protect you from all sorts of imaginary invisible dangers. This passenger door is a little bit more my style. Oh yeah, take it off. It's looking good. Oh, ooh, that might be too much. Yeah, we gotta cover some of that up. Okay, that's looking a lot more decent, at least up to Florida standards. We have to replace these gross ugly things with these beautiful things. Yeah. This is a massive improvement over the original setup. The speakers are mounted on 1/2-inch PVC baffles. The inner door skin is completely sound treated, and we have the fast rings in place in order to help control the direction of the sound. Well, it looks exactly the same, so maybe I didn't do any work to this truck at all. Don't tell the client that though, because I'm definitely still charging him. Well, look at this little guy. Isn't he adorable? It's a pretty decently sized high-frequency driver, but I think we can do better. Ooh, illusion. Yeah, that's gonna sound good in there. That certainly is a gorgeous crossover. And we're just gonna ram it right there where no one's gonna see it. Well, this is a pretty cool radio, but I bet you we can do a little bit better, although it's gonna be hard to replace Surf Jams from 2010. This is the very new, very sweet Sony 9500 ES, which boasts a gorgeous capacitive touch 10.1-inch screen. This is a floating tablet style radio, however I have mounted it as low as possible as per the customer request. Steering wheel controls are still active, as you can see here. Full cell phone integration via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, OEM backup camera retention, USB, multiple camera inputs, and it has a full featured equalizer. Wow! That's all, folks. Thanks for being along for the ride. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13, and I shall talk to you later. See you!